very difficult exercise because we are in a circle and not in a line.
Every summer, World Learning hosts a 3-week global conflict resolution course at its School for International Training in Vermont. This year, it partnered with the Netherlands-based nonprofit Musicians Without Borders to offer a community music elective.
We've always done some kind of music as part of Contact, but this is the first time we've actually had musicians here. And they just brought the element of music to Contact to a completely new level, to a level that is just so much deeper and more related to your body and your spirit.
In this training, we make a connection between music and social change. Music can help by bridging divides. It can help by trauma healing. It can help to balance people again.
Many of these artists work with children in conflicts stemming from poverty, crime, and war. Children who often express their trauma by withdrawing or acting out.
He's putting down his sticks, whack, 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 whack. What do you say then?
Musicians Without Borders doesn't have the solution for every crisis scenario, but it can expand the toolkits of teachers like Tatevik Kosha Anyatian, an Armenian refugee and percussionist who teaches migrant, refugee, and low-income children in Baltimore.
I really love the positivity in all of the workshops that we are holding with the musicians, and also the nonverbal communication, because a lot of my students come from countries where English is not the primary language.
I got her now because she's also doing this. That's already no problem for me. But I control her.
We still learn structure, we still learn how to collaborate, but it's something that's fun and easy to do.
We will hand out the sticks. We will hand out the sticks. Hand out the sticks to your neighbor.
So they are in the center.
The workshop also builds community organizing skills.
What you want to do in your community.
In terms of facilitating the workshop.
South African pianist Emma Lunyendik has been teaching music in her country's Black townships. Now she hopes to empower those young artists to teach their music in the white townships.
We went through apartheid and we are still dealing with reconciliation. However, problems of poverty, inequality, crime, these are all world issues. I feel I'm broadening my understanding of what causes these issues.
Massachusetts resident Marisa Massary had always had an interest in community music, and this workshop allowed her to combine her talents as a singer with a master's in intercultural leadership and management at the same School for International Training.
I felt it was a great way to combine my love for music as a singer with what I learned academically over the past 9 months.
Following the program, she started teaching music to Palestinian and Israeli youth at a music nonprofit in Massachusetts. Now she hopes to try similar trainings with underserved American teens.
For me, to show what you can do with music, and they to show me what they can do by, spreading the word of peace building. And if that can come together, then I think that's the most powerful tool.